The University of Cape Town began as the South African College in 1829. The university, however, was formally established in 1918, and by 1928 the construction of the Groote Schuur campus, which is now the university's upper campus, was nearing its completion. The later plans for the Groote Schuur campus were designed between 1917 and 1928, originally by architect James Solomons, and these were later refined by architects Hawke, McKinley and Walgate, and this was done under the supervision of Sir Edmund Laytons. Collectively, these buildings form the historic backbone of the university's campus. The construction of the Groote Schuur campus was fraught with setbacks and financial difficulties brought about by, amongst other things, the Great Depression following the end of the First World War. Since the completion of the initial Groote Schuur campus, the university has obviously undergone dramatic changes over time since that point. On the 18th of April 2021, a fierce veld fire spread from the slopes of Devil's Peak to the university's upper campus, which gutted parts of the campus and the Jagger Library in particular. The African Studies Library and Reading Room were completely gutted by the fire, and the archives stored below, as a result of efforts to quench the flames, were severely waterlogged and water damaged following the fire. An emergency operation was undertaken by UCT to evacuate its records from the UCT Special Collections. In April of 2022, Memorist was appointed by the university to conserve and digitize some of its most significant collections. Included amongst these is the Herbert Baker collection, which was conserved and digitized, and subsequently the Hawke and McKinley collection. These collections bear special relevance to the university, as the works of these architects form the very basis and foundation of much of the university's campus. The Memorist team have been meticulously repairing and conserving these architectural plans, and this includes the fixing of tears, the consolidation of damaged papers, and removal of harmful adhesives. And this is all done in order to ensure and conserve the longevity of those documents. Access to its physical holdings are not readily available for researchers. This, of course, means that the conservation and digitization initiative is even more important than ever. Both Memorist and UCT are very happy that these records are now made available in a digital format to researchers upon request. Memorist South Africa is both honoured and privileged to be working alongside the university on the important task of promoting and conserving the university's heritage.